Today, I am going to be showing you how to make a lightning bow. Basically, what this is going to do is whenever you shoot an arrow, wherever it lands, lightning is going to strike a lot. I'm going to tell you that much, but you're going to want it on repeat, unconditional, and always active. If you don't know, the command to get a command block is /give at, and then you got all these. At all players, all entities, as in mobs and players. At P, closest player. At R, random player. And at S, yourself. And there, well, you have to type in command_block. I forgot that, but that's what you're going to need to do. So, once you do that, type this command in. /execute at E, bracket, type equals arrow, bracket, tilde, space, summon, lightning_bolt. I will leave the command in the description, so you don't need to memorize this. It'll be in the description for you. Okay, let's try this out. So what we're going to need to do is get a bow. And then you can also get a crossbow. And then you can get arrow. You can get any arrow you want. Another thing. Let's say I only wanted to work for arrows of harming. I'm not sure if this will work. I want you guys to try this out for me. Try arrow_harming. See if that'll work, okay? That's something for you to do. But let's get our arrows. Any arrow will work. I'll show you that. Night vision. I'll just grab some random ones for you. Watch this. There you go. And I left fire spread on, but let me put normal arrows here. Let's try potion of night vision arrows. See that? Okay, let me turn my sound down. That's very loud. Okay. Get strength. We'll try it in the water this time. Does it work in the water? Look up close. It works in the water, guys. Wow. And you can just shoot it at yourself. Here's how to get. Well, you might be like, how do you get rid of this? All you gotta do, pick up the arrow. Well, the fire might remain. You need to hit that out. Why can't I hit this? No, I'm shooting arrows. Sort of working. Let me get these arrows. I like the one in the water. I'll keep that. And, well, oh, there's one over here. Wow. Let me pick this up. And you got that one lightning. Okay, let's say, here, let me get a creeper. Creeper, there we go. All you gotta do. Let me get some fences and kind of get a charged creeper farm. That's kind of what this is gonna be. Cobblestone walls, that works. Okay. So now, I don't have too much space, but there we go. Spawn a bunch of creepers. This is what I'm gonna do. So creepers just fall. And I won't be hitting them. Let me spawn a whole bunch in. Fills up the entire place. Okay, so that should be enough. Now watch this. All these are going to turn into charge creepers. Think it's lag? What's happening? What happened to my command block? Oh, there we go. What? Oh, the creepers. I understand. You have to hit it on the fence. There we... Oh, they died. No, never mind. You have to hit on the fence because I think creepers pick them up. You just can't see it. No, I'm hitting creepers now. Well, you hit the creeper, it takes in the arrow. Oh no. Creepers are damaged. They're getting damaged. Okay, guys. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. And there you go. A bunch of creeper heads. And we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And I need to deal with this.